guys, let's go over the trades that I took for today. Um, just traded two stocks, HSGX and TNXP. Um, $40 a piece, and after commissions, only made $40 on the day. Um, I mean, it's a slow and steady race to build up this account. So I can't at the end of the day. I can't be too disappointed with myself, even if I, miss the majority of this move. I have to, hedge my bets and manage my risk as much as possible. So if that means, getting out with small profits, then, that's just what I got to do. At least until I get up there in like the two, three, $4,000 range in terms of my equity. Once I get up there, then I'll probably feel a little bit more comfortable taking on a little bit more risk, holding a little longer. But for right now, I mean, it seems to be working. I believe this is the seventh or eighth consecutive green day, so it's working for the most part. But yeah, let's go over the trades that I took today. So the first trade I took was TNPX or no TNXP. Yeah, so this trade, um, honestly, it really wasn't anything that crazy. I seen that this the stock was grinding up. It tested high day and then quickly washed down. I seen an opportunity to get in, uh, so I got in right here off of the 9 moving average. Started grinding up, and then I noticed that the tape ended up stalling a little bit up here, and it just looked really extended. And I thought to myself, I'm gonna just get out before this thing crashes, and sure enough, it did. Typically I really don't like trading, stocks that are like in the dollar range, just because they're super, they're very volatile, and the reward for trading them really isn't that high. Like I only made 4 cents off this trade. Just because, and it moves a lot, but it's only moving through 1 cent movements. If you can see right here, I think it's only moving in pennies. So you'd have in these stocks you have to take a lot of share size to even make a lot of money, and I don't know. To me, it just seems like a really risky moves. But that's pretty much all I could really do today. So I was pretty much done. Like I wasn't even gonna trade anymore. But then HSGX ended up popping up on my scanner, and I looked at the daily chart, and I really liked what I seen. And it popped up at like I think it was like 98 cents or something, and I right away I looked at the daily chart. I'm like, okay, this has potential. Because if it gets over this support or this resistance line, then we can see a fill all the way up to here. I don't know why my computer keeps doing that, but yeah. So I seen potential to fill this gap even to 150. Yeah, something like right around here is where I was looking at the gap to get filled at. So I I took it. I was like, all right, I'm a buyer if this thing gets over um, over $1 and over 13 cents. That was the high of day. Um, but yeah, so this thing ended up grinding up, um, and I don't know. My entry wasn't that great. I pretty much bought the momentum, so I seen that it was gonna break high of day right here, and so I got in right before. I ended up breaking out a little bit, pulling back, and then once it broke this high day candle, I just sold the quick pop. Um, I'm again like this thing ended up grinding as I predicted. It grinded up way higher, almost completely filling the gap that I predicted it would fill. Um, I guess that in hindsight, yeah, I probably should have held this thing a little bit longer because I only made 40 bucks on it, but I probably could end up making like 300 bucks on it. But again, that just goes back to say, like, I just at this current stage of my trading career, I guess, and how small my account is, I don't want to overextend myself. I don't want to overstay my welcome, because this could have very well just rolled over if there weren't enough buyers stepping up to the plate. So, right now I'm just, like I said, managing my risk and, not taking on, not just holding these stocks, just hoping that they'll go up. Um, just being very, very conservative with my account right now. So only made $40 in the day. I think so. Opening my account tomorrow at 13.50 or something like that. Again, I still want to close out the week at least $1,500. So tomorrow I'm gonna just have to bring it, um, step up to the plate. Just hopefully there's some good trades and good opportunities that I can make some money on. I don't know why my computer keeps doing that, but I guess that's a sign that I should close this video out. Yeah, subscribe to me if you're not already a subscriber. I'm gonna be growing this account to 100,000. It's a marathon run. It's gonna take some time, patience, and effort. So stay tuned if you want to see that journey. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions or if you want to share the trades that you took today. And don't forget to like the video as well. But all right, yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out.